Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo Fire Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Leo and what's going on? Messages for Leo. What are the messages for Leo? What are the messages for Leo? Leo, what's going on? Seven of Cups. So under the deck, Seven of Cups. Maybe you are in confusion. Leo, I'm not thinking this represents option. This representing confusion. Maybe you are fantasizing your person a lot. There is a lot of confusion what I'm saying. Very few you have maybe having options. Very few, not all. So let's see your reading recent past. 10 of Swords, Knight of Wands and 6 of Swords. So the person involved in this connection is a player type energy. What I'm getting vibe from this. Knight of Wands. Knights always come and go. There is no commitment. And this connection is always on and off connection between both of you. That's why you decided to move on from this person. 6 of Swords with 10 of Swords. Yeah, this is very painful for you, and you only the person always doing the all work. It is for you like hard work for you. That's why you decided to move on, because there is no commitment, there is no equal give and take, there is no point to continue this relationship anymore. That's why you decided to move on from this person. Maybe for some third party also involved in this connection. Yeah, you are decided to move towards calm water. Then present the Chariot, Scope, Death and Empress. So you started moving without your person. You started to let go of this person. Yeah, there is ending. You want to end this connection with your person. Maybe for some it is temporary energy, because these energies will change in future. Right now the current energies. And the Empress, your main focus is on yourself. You are working on yourself, on your growth, on your abundance, and you are taking your control back totally, because the Empress is here. Now you are totally in your control, Leo. You are focusing on yourself, on your career, on your growth. Future, the Tower, the Hermit and 5 of Cups. Maybe your person feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, and this separation also created Tower moment for you too also, because you invested a lot in this connection. You are missing them, but there is some spiritual awakening. Maybe you are undergoing some healing also. You are not talking to anyone right now. You both are in separation. For some, you both are in no contact situation. Even though for some you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. You want to end this connection permanently, because the cards are saying, I'm not saying with in intention, because what's the cards are saying that what's the cards giving message I am giving to you. So the Tower, the Hermit and 5 of Cups. Yeah, you are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity, maybe for the separation, but you have no option. You have to do it, because there is no commitment. There is no maybe I think there is physical attraction. Your person is very attracted to you, but there is no commitment. What I'm getting here. So you are undergoing some spiritual awakening also, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, Virgo, especially Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, Virgo and Cancer. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Knight of Pentacles. Maybe they are thinking to come back. So let's see their feelings towards you. Leo, your person feelings think you think it is over, but it's not. Maybe they want to give clarity and they want to be honest with you. There is honest communication is coming, and they want success in this connection. Six of Wands, Six of Cups, and Eight of Wands. They want to communicate with you, and Six of Cups is here. They're thinking about you a lot. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yeah, they want success in this connection, and they're thinking about to communicate with you. So let's see their actions. They're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they want this happiness with you. Ten of Cups and the Strength, your card, and you are reading Leo. Maybe they're scared to come towards you. Maybe they getting the strength to come towards you. Ten of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, and Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're coming back, but it will take some time because Wheel of Fortune is here in divine timing. Maybe your person waiting for the right time to approach you, to communicate with you. And Ten of Cups, but they want this happiness with you. They want you win back again, but it's up to you. They're coming back to give second chance or not. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see the outcome, where this connection is headed on from the universe. Let's pull some cards. Right now your person is juggling. That's why they're taking their time. Yeah, you are confused because they're coming back. You don't know which decision you have to make. You're confused, Leo. This love is mutual. There is love still between both of you, even though you both are separated. But Five of Swords, still there are some misunderstandings between both of you. That's why maybe you are confused which decision you have to make. Because they are coming back again, and you already stand by your power. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. That's why you are taking your time to make decision. You are confused. Maybe you have options for some. So yeah, they're coming back. Then it's up to you, but it takes some time because right now Ten of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune and Knight of Pentacles, they're taking it very slow. Maybe they realize your worth because Six of Cups and Six of Wands. They're thinking about you a lot. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Leo. They're coming back. Second chances, they're coming back. Still you have so much love for this person, but you decided to holding back because you are confused. Even though you have love for this person, but you are confused. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Hermit, yeah, your person right now undergoing some spiritual awakening. The Moon, maybe they're manifesting you. There is something mysterious in this connection. Five of Wands, lot of drama, and Seven of Swords. Maybe they realize they hurt you in past. Now they're scared to come towards you. That's why they're taking their time. And Five of Swords with Seven of Swords. Yeah, for some years, third party situation is also involved in this connection. They realized their mistake. Now they have regrets. They're coming back. So let's see some messages from your person. And I am not feel good enough for you. I always thinking about you. I want you back. I fantasize about you. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, and they're feeling that they are not good enough for you, and they're fantasizing about you a lot. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. yeah, they hurt you in past, that's why they're not feeling good enough for you. Don't let your past hold you back. So don't let your past hold you back. So if you have any past hurts, heal yourself completely and don't let your past hold back. This is the message. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.